Hi, today we are going to see how to remove TikTok filter from a video. Here, open the TikTok, then come to your profile. After that, in the upper right, you can see a three dot icon. Click on this, then go to Settings and Privacy. Here, swipe up and click on Report a Problem. Here, go to Account and Profile. Then click on Profile page. Here, click on Other. From here, click on No. Then click on Need more help. Here, in the box, paste this message that Hello TikTok team, a warning is coming to my account. I am sorry for my mistake. At first, I did not understand the rules. I hope such mistake will not happen again. Please review my account and help me. Then give your username. Then you can add photo or video. After that, click on Report. So that's how you can remove account warning on TikTok. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.